Welcome to my boat and my life, and subscribe, because I'm sure you don't want to miss this year of boating with me and Linda. We are at the floating pump-out station outside Nyköping, and we're gonna look at how hard it can be to communicate with each other. It's easy to misunderstand each other. And let's see here how it goes.
Ställ dig och var beredd bara. Nej, du kan aldrig hålla in båt så.
Never hold the boat like that. Take it around the
Ha
klitsch.
den runt knapet. Knapet är de här.
This is a klitsch. Take the line around the klitsch.
Ha tampen runt knapet. Så, nu håller du i den. Stå still. Så här ska du alltid stå och hålla i båten.
Hold the boat like this when waiting for my command.
Inget annat. Ja.
When you're not familiar with the boat words and how a boat behaves in wind and water, it's hard to understand what you should do by guessing. And I often forget to tell things in detail before it happens, because I think it's normal to do a thing that maybe not so normal to do. Now you can undo the line and board the boat.
Krokar av den och kliver på båten. Kroka av och så kliv på båten.
The light wind is blowing us away from the dock, so just leave the ropes and let's go. By turning to starboard, the stern is moving away from the dock, but the bow is moving into the dock. I compensate by doing bow thruster to port, and the boat will go sideways. I can sound a bit hard, but I want you to do it a certain way, so you have it in your muscle memory when the time comes and you have to do it in a hurry, or when I'm not there to tell you what to do.
Vi kan göra mycket misstag och konstiga grejer som här. Men jag vill att det ska gå till på ett speciellt sätt, så man har det i ryggmärgen den gången det verkligen behövs. Det är därför jag är så noga. Så att man gör vi på samma sätt varje gång, så kommer det liksom sitta att det är så här man gör.
Soon we're coming up to my home port, and it's the first time for Linda to dock at that place. And I often do it without a line on the boat. I use the lines on the dock. I think you can learn a lot by recording yourself, then talk about it afterwards. When you have a high boat and low draft, even this light wind we have today move the boat relatively fast. Look here, we must stop driving. The boat move away immediately. Let's see how our communication goes here. I expect some fast action by jumping off, take the line, attach it to the boat. It's not like a car that you park and it stand there. Even in this light wind, you can see the boat is immediately moving away from the dock when I stop driving. And that's okay if you prepared for it. But in my mind, I take the stern line instead of driving. If I want to drive, I can hold the boat in place. But then the instruction to Linda has to be take the middle line first, then move to the stern and take the stern line. After that, I can stop driving the boat. Up in the right corner, you can see Linda stepping off the boat, getting the line, go back to the boat and jump on, and take her way forward to the klitsch. then starting to get the knot on the clutch. She's doing exactly what I told her to do, because I didn't tell her to do it in a hurry or stand on the floating pontoon and attach the boat. She just do what I tell her. Here I'm demonstrating how to do it from the pontoon instead of jumping on the boat, because you don't have the time to go up on the boat to do it if it's really windy. At the same time, I'm thinking, this is going to be an interesting season. So subscribe if you want to see more mistakes. What are we doing today?
We're going to watching
Rally.
rally.
Yes, we're watching some rally. 2 minutes of rally, then more boating.
Det. Man får parkering här.
Det tycker jag. Let's try one more time to dock at the home port, and this time it's a little more windy. I go far to west here and make the turn. Then I want to have a straight line to the dock, so I get a lot of straight momentum on the boat. Then turn in the last second, so the boat still moves to east when I turn it. The black levers closest to the camera here is the gear shift. And on the other side you can see the red ones. They are the RPM on the engines. Hold the boat back a bit. Let go a bit on the line. A little bit more. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.